What's going on, world? Thank you for tuning into another episode of Insightful Principles. In today's episode, I really want to talk about ChatGPT. Has been a technology that has hit the world by storm. It's actually one of the fastest growing consumer applications since the creation of the internet. And I was reading how since January of this year, they've had almost over 100 million active users. And also, this application has only been out for, I want to say, 4 or 5 months since the end of November 2022. So it's just amazing to see, how this technology is really transforming the way that we approach work. And really want to just talk about some of those innovative use cases of what ChatGPT can be used for, as well as just giving you a better understanding of exactly what this technology is. But if you all can do me a huge favor, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Doesn't hurt at all to stop and do that, and it's always greatly appreciated. And don't forget to hit that notification below so you can always be notified every week when I drop content. So ChatGPT is created from a company called OpenAI, and exactly what GBT stands for is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, all that means is it's a language model that's designed specifically for conversation and chat-based applications. So GBT is a state-of-the-art model known for its exceptional natural language understanding and its generation capabilities. And what it's doing is it's leveraging deep learning and it's being trained on vast amounts of text data. And ChatGPT can generate contextually relevant and also human-like conversations. So when you go on the platform, it actually has a prompt. And with that prompt, you can type in any question. And then as you feed the data into this artificial intelligence technology, you actually have a language model that is responding back. And it's very, intellectual. One thing that I will say is you still want to make sure that you are double checking the information that it's providing, because I have heard that there still is, misinformation and inaccurate information that ChatGPT can provide to you. So that is one thing that you certainly want to make sure that you're paying attention to. Now, the primary goal of ChatGPT is really to facilitate more natural interactions with AI systems and also to enable applications in various domains such as customer support, content creation, and even virtual assistants and much more. Now, it is designed to understand context, is able to answer questions, it provides explanations, and it also engages in the meaningful conversation with its users, making it a versatile tool for numerous applications across many different industries. So now that we do have a basic understanding of what ChatGPT is, I want to go through 7 use cases that I think that will help improve a lot of industries and that also can be a benefit for a lot of these different industries. And the very first is customer support. And when it comes to customer support, businesses can actually implement ChatGPT in their customer support systems to be able to enable a wide range of inquiries. You can train the model to be able to ask frequently asked questions to different people that are visiting your website. It can provide accurate, personalized assistance, which can ultimately help reduce response times and improve overall customer satisfaction. The second use case, content creation, one of my favorites. This is actually how I'm using ChatGPT for this channel, for my podcast. It's helping me be able to create the outlines, the topics, being able to elaborate on certain concepts to make it a lot easier to explain, where it's simplistic for the viewers that are watching this video. And with ChatGPT, it can actually draft blogs, articles, it can do social media updates, and all you really have to do is input a topic or a set of keywords, and then the AI can actually generate engaging content that aligns with a certain tone and style. And this can greatly enhance your productivity and also just your overall creative output. The third use case is virtual teaching assistants. Now, there has been a lot of talk with a lot of educational institutions not wanting their students using ChatGPT because they're using it to write papers, and there's a lot of plagiarizing claims and all type of things like that. But some ways that I think that educational institutions can use ChatGPT is using it more as a teaching assistant, and they can actually help provide students with explanations and feedback on assignments, as well as being able to integrate this model into their e-learning platforms that can offer more personalized guidance, which can just overall enhance the learning experience. Now, the third use case is language translation. Now, when you have a lot of foreigners that are coming and visiting into international countries, I think that with ChatGPT, it helps with the translation with real-time language, and it can help enable seamless communication between speakers of different languages. And this can definitely particularly be useful for businesses that operate globally, and they may have employees that are in different countries, and they can make it a lot more inclusive for people that may not be able to speak the language as good as someone that is a native of that country. And I think that that could also have a big impact, when it comes to language translation. Now, the fourth use case is legal assistance. When it comes to legal assistance, this one is very big. ChatGPT can actually be deployed as a legal research assistant, and this can help users understand just complex legal terminology. It can help them be able to navigate regulatory frameworks and find relevant precedents around case law. Now, this can particularly be beneficial for legal professionals, businesses, and individuals seeking to navigate legal matters more efficiently. Now, additionally, ChatGPT can also assist in drafting legal documents like wills, trusts, contracts, legal briefs, and also just help provide templates and also suggesting appropriate language based on the specific requirements around law. Now, the fifth use case is creative writing assistance. Now, when it comes to, and this is actually the sixth use case, when it comes to creative writing assistance, this can be more of like a brainstorming tool. So for all of my authors out there that's writing a book, I would highly recommend utilizing this type of technology because it can help be able to offer suggestions for character development. Let's say you're creating a fiction book and you have a certain plot that you want to perceive throughout the book. It can actually create the whole outline for you. It can give you the step-by-step guide of summarizing the chapters, elaborating on concepts in the chapters. It can help with just that whole creative process. And I think being able to collaborate with this technology, the AI can help be able to generate fresh ideas. It can help be able to overcome writer's block, and it can just be able to redefine just storytelling techniques. And I think ultimately it's going to result in more of an engaging and just a more an imaginative creative process. So I think that that one is really cool. And then I think the very last use case that I really enjoy is financial analysis. And this is one that I have to dive more into and learn more about because ChatGPT, from what I've read and researched, it can help employ to analyze just financial data such as stock market trends, earnings reports, and even just economic indicators. And by processing large volumes of data, the AI can actually provide insights on potential investment opportunities. It can explain the risk and just the overall market conditions, which overall can just help investors and also financial professionals to be able to make more informed decisions when they're talking with their clients, or even if they are trading within the market, just to be able to make better decisions. Now, speaking in regards to how ChatGPT is being utilized when it comes to financial analysis, Morgan Stanley, more recently in March of this year, 2023, they're actually testing ChatGPT for its 16,000 financial advisors. And they actually said that in the coming months, they're going to start implementing it. And a lot of the reason why is because they want to make sure that all of their advisors can make the whole financial planning conversation just as efficient as possible, and making sure that they can be the smartest person in the room. Meaning, if you can have your chief strategy officer sitting next to you, if they can't be there physically, if you can use a OpenAI ChatGPT technology that is going to give you all of the necessary knowledge of what's happening in the market, giving you a summarization of the economic market conditions, letting you know what the earning reports are on a particular stock, being able to understand stock market trends, it really gives advisors the tools to be able to have that credibility with the client, so that way they have confidence that they're making the best decision for their financial picture. But as always, I still think that it still is going to have to be that human element within the financial planning conversation. I don't think necessarily that ChatGPT is going to, it definitely can, have an impact on these industries. But I think all in all, it helps, and it helps add more value within these different processes over these different use cases, whether it's customer support or legal assistance or teaching assistance. It's going to help that process. I don't think that AI is going to replace people, but I think it will replace the people that don't understand how to use this technology. So I think it's very important to take an hour a day to really just learn what ChatGPT is, understanding how you can implement it in your business, how it can make you more effective within your career. And you will be quite surprised on, some of the things that you find. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video, but I thank you all so much for watching. As always, continue to please like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every week. And I thank you all, and have a blessed day.